Life is short, yet many people live as if they have all the time in the world. The truth? The average human lifespan is only about 30,000 days. Imagine you're 30 years old. You've already spent over 11,000 days of your life, days that will never come back. The phrase, "I'll do it someday," is a sneaky trap. It makes us believe we have endless time while in reality the clock is ticking. But we're not here for shallow time management tips. We're diving deep into scientific and practical insights on how life truly works. In the next chapters, you'll discover powerful strategies to make your days genuinely meaningful and live with depth and passion. 1. Understanding time and the psychology behind it. Think back to your childhood. Summers felt endless, right? Now, years pass by in a flash. This is called temporal compression. Studies show that the brain measures time based on how many new experiences it records. Childhood is full of novelty. Adulthood, not so much. When every day looks the same, our brain compresses them into a single blurred memory. How do we fix this? Inject novelty into daily life. Take a different route to work. Learn a new skill every month. Strike up conversations with new people. Each fresh experience stretches your perception of time. Another common mistake: we overestimate what we can do in a day and underestimate what we can achieve in a year. True success comes not from giant leaps, but from consistent small steps over time. 2. Mastering priorities. Many confuse being busy with being effective. They fill their schedules with tasks that seem important but make little difference. Imagine your future 90-year-old self looking back. Would you regret working late or missing a family dinner? The Deathbed Test clarifies priorities like nothing else. The best achievers know that knowing what not to do is even more crucial than knowing what to do. Use the two-list strategy. List all your goals, highlight the top 3, and actively avoid the rest. Distractions like endless scrolling or needless meetings drain your energy and steal your life. Eliminate the non-essential ruthlessly. Your time is far too valuable. 3. The dynamics of relationships. Relationships are like bank accounts. Every interaction is either a deposit or a withdrawal. A heartfelt compliment? Deposit. Chronic lateness? Withdrawal. The key isn't grand gestures, it's daily micro moments of care that build deep trust. Adversity often forges stronger bonds than happiness alone. Face challenges together, and your relationships will grow stronger. Even weak ties, casual acquaintances, often open the door to surprising opportunities. And here's a paradox. When you give your time generously to others, you feel like you have more time yourself. 4. Career and purpose. Career growth happens outside your comfort zone. Playing it safe leads to stagnation. One early mistake? Chasing money over learning. Skills, not salaries, are what open future doors. Every skill you gain today is a lottery ticket for tomorrow's opportunities. Forget the career ladder. Think career jungle gym. Lateral moves, detours, even setbacks often create unique skill combinations that make you irreplaceable. Staying too long in a stagnant role is like sinking into quicksand. The longer you stay, the harder it is to move. Harness productive procrastination by using any avoidance energy to learn new things. It might even uncover your true passion. 5. Health and vitality. Health isn't just about lifespan, it's a multiplier of life quality. Would you rather have 8 energetic hours or 12 sluggish ones? Sleep isn't a luxury, it's the real superpower your brain needs. Sleep deprived, you're operating like you're drunk. Not ideal for success. Recognize your 2 inner selves. Morning you, who sets ambitious plans, and evening you, who must actually execute them. Support your energy by integrating mini movements throughout your day. Quick walks, stretches, simple exercises. Movement refreshes the mind and fuels creative breakthroughs. If you found even one idea today that sparked something inside you, imagine what happens when you actually live it. Remember, you don't need more time. You need more life in your time. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives, and share this with someone you want to see win. See you soon.